Okay, now that we have your sewing machine all set up and ready from the previous videos, I'm going to show you basically how to start to make a stitch or to sew a seam. Okay, I just grabbed two pieces of scrap material, vinyl, and this is what we're going to be using. I'm going to put them face to face, and we'll throw a seam and some stitches on. For this we are using my Consew sewing machine again. I'll take these two pieces of material face to face, stick them under the presser foot. I drop the needle down into the material by turning the wheel. You grab this handle here, which brings down your presser foot. You have your two pieces of thread. You want to pull these to the side. You can either hold them. Some people will use a little clip. They'll put them in there, keep them off to the side, whichever way you want to do. I've seen some people put tape on them, and then that way you can keep them out of the way while you're starting. You're going to want to use your foot pedal and start your stitch. Go a couple stitches, 2 or 3, reverse stitch, and that's going to strengthen that stitch on the start and on the finish of your seam, your stitch here. So after you go a couple of stitches forward, reverse stitch it, let go of the reverse bar here, and then follow through. Keep going. When you get to the end, you're going to want to reverse thread it again for a couple stitches and lift the presser foot, pull out the needle, and then you can clip off the end of your your thread, and you can clip this other side's thread. So basically you got your seam running here. You start a few stitches, you reverse thread, reverse stitch, and stitch all the way through to the end, reverse stitch some, and then go again. That'll give you a seam, just like that. And that's pretty basic, but it'll help you help a beginner. And if you have any questions, just ask. Thanks.